let's go to the process of making my stew, my curry stew, rice, beef, my plantain, guys. So I start by parboiling my rice, washing my meat with my salt. Then here I want to season my meat. Then I add my onions, salt, my thyme. So this is my seasoning, guys. So this is my curry powder. Of course, you have to add it in your meat. Then you turn your meat all together, turn it very well, stir it so that everything, the ingredients can go into the meat, guys. So after that, I add my rosemary. So I have to cover it, allow it to heat for some time, let it boil very well. Here I come back to check. Oh, my meat is almost ready. See, this is, I still have to turn it very well, just check. So my rice, if you don't use to parboil your rice, guys, learn how to parboil your rice. So here I want to start to fry my beef. So I have to add salt in my rice. If you don't know how to add raw salt in your rice, try to do so, because to give that rice a sweet taste. So guys, I'm bringing out my beef, about to fry. I want to fry it. So this is it. Here we go. So in this stage, please, you have to be careful with your eyes, please. You know I love you guys so much. So this is my fresh tomato, not adding no thickening, nothing, not just a fresh tomato. I grind it and put it in my fridge for preservation. See it. So my beef is ready, guys. See how dry it is. So that is it. So always do your tomato that way, so that anything you want to make your stew to be easy for you to do so. Yes, my beef is ready, so I'm using that vegetable oil to fry my stew. So here I'm adding my bay leaf. Then I add my onions, fry for some while before adding my tomato. My rosemary is going, my salt is also going. Here is my fresh tomato. This tomato, there is no tomato paste on it, just fresh tomato, guys. Because when you do something like it, to give it a very great taste, I have to stir it together very well. Then add my curry powder, guys. Then stir it again. So here is my seasoning. I have to add it, guys. Just without not taking time, this too will be ready, because I've already dried the tomato. The tomato is dry. So this is my secret ingredients. I don't joke with crayfish, so I have to add it much as possible, guys. Crayfish, now my friend, you. I love crayfish so much. So I have to stir my stew very well. My tomato is still eating. Add my salt again. Be careful. So it's red. Look at the face of that tomato. It have changed color. So I'm adding my beef, adding the water I use in parboiling my beef. Then turn very well. Oh my goodness, my stew is ready. As simple as ABCD, doesn't take time. So yeah, I'm adding my curry leaf. I don't joke with this curry leaf. You have to go into my stew. When I'm making my stew, anything green is good to go in my stew. I love green things in my stew. So that's just it, guys. They just allow to heat it. Let it heat at least for 5 minutes before you bring it and look at it. Look at the face. Face is good, looking delicious. So I don't joke with plantain, guys. I have to wash my plantain, you understand? Let's cut them, start to fry, guys. This is it. So if you know you love plantain like me, you can also use the comment section and let me know. So that's it. Just this is how I want my plantain to be chopped. This size is good to go. So add your salt, please. Remember to add salt. Here you go. I'm frying it right away without not wasting time. Don't let it to be burnt. At least like this is okay for it. My rice is ready. I have to put my rice in my cooler so I to retain this hot for some time, for some hours. Here you go. My food is ready, guys. Come and join me, guys. Yes, I want to show you guys different ways of serving food. So if you know say you do a house, you're at home, serve your food like this, or hammer your food, no time to check time. But this is it. I have to share for the family. Yes, share something like this, no time. But if you have a visitor in your house, I beg, don't serve them food like this, guys, please. Please, I will show you guys on that method you can use to serve your visitors food. It will still look good, look presentable. So this is just a home way of serving. Oh yeah, no time to check that also chop. As far as the food can enter into the stomach. Okay, this is the method where you have visitor, you have to use something like this so that it will look attractive. Yeah, put your rice, put your beef meat, then add your plantain by the side, then your stew by the side. At least it will look presentable, guys. Just see it. Then add your plantain by the side. Then it's good to go. So please, if you have watched this video to this level, I want to say thank you so much. You guys are wonderfully made. Thank you. Please help me to share this video, like and comment. Tell me what you feel on comment section. So this is it. Cleanliness then said lead to godness. I have to clean up, tidy up everywhere I used to cook, make it clean before I can go and sit down to enjoy my meal. So this is just it. So guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thank you.